Hey friends! Welcome back to challenge and fun-filled channel Riddle World 2.0. Presenting the ultimate learning quiz challenge, Holi edition. Get ready for 30 rounds of fun and learning. Let's get started. Round 1. What do people throw at each other during Holi? A. Water, B. Flower petals, C. Colored powder, or D. Paint? Colored powder. That's right. Holi is all about color and fun. Let's move to the next one. Round 2. Here is a colorful question. Which color is most associated with the festival of Holi? A. Red, B. Yellow, C. Blue, or D. Green? Yellow is such a bright and happy color, isn't it? Let's go to the next round. Round 3. Holi is celebrated to mark the arrival of which season? A. Winter, B. Summer, C. Spring, or D. Monsoon? Spring is when everything comes to life, just like Holi. Here is the next question. Round 4. Which popular drink is associated with Holi in India? A. Lassi, B. Thandai, C. Chai, or D. Nimbu Pani? Thandai is a special drink enjoyed during Holi. Let's move on. Round 5. Here is a spiritual question. Which Indian god is celebrated during Holi? A. Lord Krishna, B. Lord Shiva, C. Lord Vishnu, or D. Lord Ganesha? Lord Krishna is famous for playing Holi with his friends. Great job! You're doing awesome! How many colors can you name that are used during Holi? Let us know in the comments below. Round 6. Holi is celebrated in which country? A. India, B. Nepal, C. Bangladesh, or D. all of the above? It's all of the above. Holi is celebrated in many countries around the world. Let's keep going. Round 7. What do people apply on their faces before playing Holi to protect their skin? A. Talcum powder, B. Oil, C. Cream, or D. Water? The correct answer is oil. Oil helps to protect your skin from colors. Let's move on. Round 8. What is the name of the traditional Holi dance in India? A. Garba, B. Bhangra, C. Dandiya, or D. Ras? Bhangra is so much fun. Ready for the next question? Round 9. What is the name of the festival celebrated before Holi, where people burn effigies? A. Dashehra, B. Diwali, C. Makar Sankranti, or D. Holika Dahan? Wonderful! Holika Dahan marks the victory of good over evil. Round 10. Which famous Holi song from Bollywood is widely played during the festival? A. Rang Barse, B. Banno, C. Chitai, or D. Gali Gali? Rang Barse. What a catchy tune! Let's go to the next round. You're doing an amazing job learning all about Holi. Medium level. Round 11. Which Indian state celebrates a unique form of Holi called Latmar Holi? A. Rajasthan, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Punjab, or D. Gujarat? Latmar is celebrated in Uttar Pradesh. Great job! Latmar Holi is so much fun and unique. Let's go to the next round. Round 12. What does Holika Dahan symbolize? A. The arrival of spring, B. The victory of good over evil, C. The start of the harvest season, or D. The end of winter? That's right. Holika Dahan celebrates the victory of good over evil. Ready for the next question? Round 13. Which Bollywood movie featured the famous Holi song Rang Barse? A. Sholay, B. Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, C. Silsila, or D. Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum? It's from the movie Silsila. What a classic song. Everyone loves Rang Barse. Let's move on. Round 14. Which flower's petals are often used in the celebrations of Holi? A. Rose, B. Marigold, C. Lily, or D. Sunflower? Marigolds add a beautiful touch to the festival. Ready for the next round? Round 15. What is the name of the goddess or demoness who is said to be symbolically burnt during Holika Dahan? A. Durga, B. Lakshmi, C. Holika, or D. Saraswati? Holika's defeat reminds us of the power of good. Let's move on. Round 16. In which city is the famous Bridge Holi celebrated? A. Mathura, B. Jaipur, C. Udaipur, or D. Varanasi? Bridge Holi is celebrated in Mathura. It's one of the most lively and beautiful celebrations. Let's move to the next round. Round 17. What is the name of the colorful powder used during Holi? A. Gulal, B. Abir, C. Chandan, or D. Ranga? Gulal makes Holi so much fun and colorful. Let's keep going. Round 18. Which famous Indian film director made a movie called Holi? A. Rajkumar Hirani, B. Karan Johar, C. Ramesh Sippy, or D. Mukul Anand? Mukul Anand directed Holi, a fun movie that celebrates the spirit of Holi. Let's move on to the next set of hard questions. Round 19. Here's a tricky one. Which city is famous for its Holi celebration where the colors last the longest? A. Jaipur, B. Varanasi, C. Delhi, or D. Udaipur? Take a guess. Great job! Varanasi is famous for its colorful and vibrant Holi celebrations, where the colors truly stay for a long time. Let's move on to the next round. Round 20. After the colorful excitement of Holi, there's another celebration. What is the name of the festival celebrated the day after Holi? A. Diwali, B. Dashehra, C. Gudi Padwa, or D. Rang Panchami? That's right. Rang Panchami is the day after Holi, filled with more peaceful, quiet celebrations. Let's move on to the next round. Round 21. Here's a flowery question for you. In which state do people celebrate the Phoolon ki Holi, or Holi of flowers? Is it A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Rajasthan, C. Madhya Pradesh, or D. Gujarat? Well done! Rajasthan is known for its colorful and fragrant Phoolon ki Holi. The flowers make the celebration even more beautiful. Ready for the next question? Round 22. Let's test your knowledge of the Hindu calendar. Holi is celebrated in which month? Is it A. Kartika, B. Magha, C. Falguna, or D. Ashadha? Correct. Holi is celebrated in the month of Falguna. You're doing awesome. On to the next round. Round 23. Now, let's head over to West Bengal. Which tradition is celebrated in West Bengal related to Holi? A. Dol Purnima, B. Makar Sankranti, C. Diwali, or D. Ganesh Chaturthi? Nice! Dol Purnima is a beautiful tradition in West Bengal that is celebrated with songs, dances, and colors. Let's keep moving forward. Round 24. Time for a dance question. In Gujarat, a traditional dance form is performed during Holi. What is it called? A. Kathak, B. Garba, C. Bhangra, or D. Lavani? Garba is full of energy and fun, especially during Holi. Keep up the great work. Let's go to the next round. Round 25. Did you know Holi is celebrated in countries outside of India as well? In which country is Holi widely celebrated? A. Nepal, B. USA, C. Canada, or D. all of the above? That's right. Holi is celebrated worldwide, spreading joy and colors everywhere. Let's move on. Round 26. This one is fun. Which animal is often painted in bright colors during Holi celebrations? Is it A. Elephant, B. Cow, C. Horse, or D. Monkey? Yes, elephants are often painted in beautiful colors during Holi festivals. Let's keep the fun going with the next question. Round 27. Now, let's see who participates in the unique Latmar Holi tradition. Who are the key participants? A. Women, B. Men, C. Children, or D. All of the above? Correct. Women are the key participants in Latmar Holi, making it a very playful and exciting tradition. Round 28. Get ready for some music. What traditional instrument is often played during Holi celebrations in Mathura and Vrindavan? Is it A. Tabla, B. Dholak, C. Flute, or D. Shehnai? Great job! The flute is often played during Holi in Mathura and Vrindavan, where Lord Krishna is believed to have celebrated the festival. Round 29. Let's head to the west of India. Which state celebrates Shimga, a version of Holi, with special rituals and processions? A. Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, C. Goa, or D. Uttarakhand? Exactly! Shimga is celebrated with great enthusiasm in Maharashtra, and it has its own special rituals. You're on fire! Let's move on to the last round. Round 30. Finally, food time. Which of these foods is traditionally eaten during Holi in India? Is it A. Samosa, B. Gujia, C. Chole Bhature, or D. Pani Puri? Yummy! Gujia is a traditional sweet enjoyed by many during Holi. It's delicious and adds to the joy of the celebration. Happy Holi to you and your family. Thank you for watching the video till the end. What you liked in this video, write in comments. Please like and subscribe to Riddle World for more such interesting quiz. See you in the next video. Take care.